Hey everyone, it's Riley, and today I'll be setting up my digital bullet journal for the month of April. So digital bullet journaling is something that I've been trying this year. It's just digital planning really, but I did design a planner that looks pretty much exactly like a real bullet journal. So it's got the dot grid pages, it's got a whole journal layout, which you'll see in a second. And if you would like to download that free digital bullet journal, you definitely can. It's on my website, rileyautumn.com, which I will link in the description. So for this month, I designed a set of stickers for myself in Procreate, which I'll be using to decorate all of my April monthly pages. So if you would like to use the same stickers, you can head over to my Etsy shop. I've got this sticker pack and a bunch of others that you can use to decorate your digital bullet journal. Again, that will be down in the description. So let's jump in and start planning April. So here's the journal that I've been using. You can find it again on my website, and I'm going to jump over to April. It does have all 12 months of 2022, and this is the sticker set that I made. So there's kind of a cover page sticker over to this side. Then I've got all the months of the year so that you don't need to use it for April. You can use it anytime. I've got the days of the week. I have hex codes for all of the key colors so that you can change your markers and highlighters in whatever note-taking app you're using. And then I've got some stickers that are more intended for like the weekly spread to put into your specific days. So just reminders, habit trackers, to-do lists, brain dump, things to plan your meals, all that kind of stuff. Just really practical stickers on this page that you can paste right into your weekly spreads. So I'm going to jump in and start planning, and I decided to keep the cover page exactly as I designed it. That's kind of what I've just been doing every month because it's been working well to me. And I decided to leave the left page blank just because I haven't really been using that page when I do set it up. Like I've set it up as a habit tracker or a brain dump in the past, and I just find that I don't use it. So I'm just going to save myself the time and effort and leave it blank. So next what I'm doing, and honestly I should have done this before, is just setting my highlighter colors. So I'm using the hex codes here on the sticker sheet and just punching those into GoodNotes so that all of my highlighters will match. And this part can be a little bit tedious, but it is really nice for decorating things. And then you have those colors saved to your presets so you can use them throughout the month. And if you decide to come back to this sticker set in a few months, you'll still have those colors saved and ready to go. So putting together my calendar here, I do a lot of copying and pasting. This is what I love about digital planning compared to paper planning. Probably my favorite feature is that you can just copy and paste, drag things around. It's so easy to just move things. If you make a mistake, cover it up, all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna set up a calendar for April, and the journal itself is dated. The monthly calendars are not, just because I wanted to leave it open for people who want to have a Sunday start versus a Monday start. I'm setting it up for a Sunday start, but I know that many of you will want to use it for Monday. So I'm just putting the finishing touches on my monthly calendar here. And if you are wanting to get in on this digital bullet journal, you definitely can. Like I said, it's totally free and can be found right on my website, rileyautumn.com, which I designed using Xyro. So thank you so much, Xyro, for sponsoring our video today. So for today's video, I actually decided to give my website a quick little makeover, and I hope that this highlights just how simple it is to create a website using Xyro. So that's my absolute favorite thing about using Xyro. Even though I have zero experience with web design, I was able to put together my website in a single afternoon, and now if at any time I want to change things, I can just come into the editor and make whatever changes I'd like. So today's makeover included a total color palette change, some new photos, and it took me a total of 12 minutes. Seriously, just 12 minutes. So another thing that helps to make Xyro very beginner friendly is their 24/7 support. So if you do happen to run into a problem, you can chat with a live agent at any time of day or night. So go ahead and grab Xyro's deal for a limited time only. You can click the link below, or you can use my code Riley to get your exclusive discount, which includes 3 months free and a free domain for 1 year with any yearly plan. So thank you, Zyro, and let's get back to planning. So moving on to the weekly spread here, I'm taking some more of my digital stickers, and you don't have to use these days of the week stickers. I feel like the days of the week are perfectly fine as they are. They still fit with the theme, but I do include these day of the week stickers with every monthly sticker pack that I put out. Again, the sticker pack is over on Etsy. So I'm just going in and pasting these all, lining them up perfectly so that they cover up the other days of the week. So if you are interested in digital stickers, I would recommend you check out my Etsy shop. Even if you don't want this pack in particular, I have been making a sticker pack every month in 2022. They're all different. They have different colors and themes, and you can use any of them for any month of the year. I include all the months of the year every time, just in case people don't want to use it for the month that I'm using it for. And I do think they are a pretty reasonable price. Sorry, they're about $2 over in my Etsy shop if you want to check out these stickers, and you can use them for whatever digital planning you want to. You don't need to use them in this digital bullet journal. You can use them if you've purchased other planners in the past or something like that. So what I'm doing now is I made just kind of a blank sticker, and the intention with this was that you could write maybe like an affirmation or a quote or something like that. So I decided to actually use the typing tool in GoodNotes instead of handwriting this part because I thought it might get a little squishy. And I'm just writing a Bible verse that I read recently and just kind of wanted to highlight this week. Moving on, I don't really know exactly what this specific week is going to look like, so I was just kind of thinking about what stickers I would like to try out potentially. So I decided to paste a little habit tracker at the top, and this one has space to track 3 different habits for all 7 days of the week. So you just write the habit name at the top like I am right here, and then each day you can check it off or you can color the box in, whatever you'd like to indicate that you completed that habit. So this sticker is for you to write a daily focus. I love having something like this, just kind of a big priority of the day. Obviously, there are other smaller tasks that need to be done, but this is kind of just the big thing. You know, if I accomplish this and nothing else, I'll be content with how the day went. So I'm just writing down an example, and that's finish a custom bullet journal as my kind of focus for that day. The next sticker that I'm pasting in here is a priority sticker. So it's very similar. You can just paste that into one of the daily boxes and write down your top 3 priorities for that day. And then finally, I ended up changing this sticker, but I do really like this to-do list. I feel like the color is really pretty. But I decided to change it to an appointment sticker because I actually do have some appointments coming up, so I wanted to kind of make use of it, even though this is sort of an imaginary weekly spread because I don't actually know what I have up that week. So with a sticker like this, you can just write down the time and the type of appointment. So that's all for the weekly spread. Flipping through here, we've got our title page for April, which can be accessed using the tabs. Then we've got our monthly calendar, which is really simple this month. And finally, our first weekly spread. Thank you all so much for joining me to set up April in this digital bullet journal. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.